If your BMW is equipped with the latest version of navigation, you can count on reliable directions to any entered destination, as well as a wealth of other features, such as searching for points of interest. For an overview of how the navigation system works, we'll use this 3 Series Gran Turismo. You can access the navigation screen from the main menu of iDrive or by pressing the hard button located here. Once you are on the navigation screen, a map of the area will be displayed along with your vehicle's location. To enter a destination manually, select Navigation from the main menu and then enter Address. You can then fill in information about the desired state, city, street, house number, and intersection. Once you've made your input, select Accept Destination and then Start Guidance, and the navigation system will give you step-by-step directions to your entry. You can also easily access your previously used destinations by selecting Navigation and then Last Destinations. From here, you can scroll through previous entries to make a selection and then choose Start Guidance. It's also possible to access the navigation system via voice command. To do this, press the voice command button on the steering wheel and wait for the tone. Then say Enter Address. Enter address.
Please say the house number in single digits followed by the street, the city, and the state.
250 Chestnut Ridge Road, Woodcliff Lake, New Jersey.
Processing your input. 250 Chestnut Ridge Road, Woodcliff Lake. Start guidance or add as another destination.
Start guidance.
Route guidance started.